So what if women rule the world? What would be the biggest positive change we would see?
I think we start listening. And a lot of issues can be solved if you first listen and then react. And I somehow feel that there is less negative competition when it's women. There is this whole stupid thing that people say that, oh, women are each other's worst enemy, and it's bullshit. I think women support each other like nobody's business. Everything would be probably handled with a little more sensitive.
What if you could go back and give advice to your younger 20-year-old self? What would you say?
Don't be in a hurry to get married. Live your life to the fullest. Take risks. What will happen? You'll fail now. What is the worst that can happen? You suddenly feel, oh my God, this one said this, and then you feel finished, I'm barbad and all that. It's not like that. I think the need to please everyone, to follow norms that were always set, was so high. To be liked, I'd be denying if I said that even till date, I want to be liked. To change your entire being just so that you'll be liked is a lot of that. Samne wala human being might move on. The only person you're left with is yourself.
What if women in Bollywood were paid equally to men? How do you think the industry would change?
Oh my God, it would be fantastic. I think the difference is more of star versus a non-star. Yes, there is a hero and a heroine. Hero gets paid more, heroine gets paid less. But let's say it's a heroine and a parallel act. She probably will get paid more than the other actor. I did Darlings, me and Alia. I did Jalsa, Vidya and me. They are stars. I cannot deny that. They will get paid more than me, and rightfully so. They deserve it.
I would disagree. I would buy the ticket and watch it for you. And I'm
Thank
not
you.
saying it because you are here, in front of me. I truly mean it.
Our industry is so driven by stars. Now it's important you know how to act. But for the longest time, it didn't matter whether you knew how to act. Characters are getting more importance than just, conventional hero and heroine.
What if you woke up tomorrow with a brand new talent? What would you want to do?
I want to do
dancing actually.
In 3 of us, I did.
Okay.
And in Vipul's film, I have
Did you dance in Satya also?
Yes.
You did, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I'm very proud of being able to be a part of certain in fact, almost all projects that I've been a part of. I can very proudly say, oh, I was a part of Satya or a monsoon wedding or a last year.
What if you had the power to pause time? What moment in your life would you like to relive?
I'd want to go back a couple of years because that would give me extra time. I've been working for a very long time and I've been appreciated, but it did not translate into better work. That move happened when OTT happened, when Delhi Crime happened, where talent was given as much value.